So what we're going to do now is have a look at creating a pond in this area over here. First thing I'm going to do is just click on the Toposolid, edit it, and change the construction. Instead of 1000, I'm going to make it 2000 thick. And click OK. Okay, there we go. Give it a bit of extra thickness. Now I'll jump to the site plan. I'll click on that, add some points, and I'll create these extra points here. Okay, going around. They're all at level 0, and then create another ring just inside by there. Okay. Highlight these inner ones, and then change those to -1500. And that should create our, there we go, position for it. All right. We can see here it hasn't done the exact shape I wanted. We could try editing that though. Oops. Let's go back into there, modify elements. Now this one, we don't want that one there. So we'll try and just drag those a little bit, and then we can create that sort of slope by there. All right. So we've just done that little modify, and we're happy with that now. So escape, and in 3D, there we go. And we can even see a contour line by there for the 1 meter. So now what we need to do is to fill this with water. Now, I'm inclined to take the slightly easier option by here. Rather than trying to fill that exact shape, I'm going to go to the site, and I'm going to create a new Toposolid. Okay, and I'll just use a rectangle for this for the time being. There we go. Edit the type, duplicate it, and we're going to call this one pond. Edit the structure. We can delete those previous layers, change this layer, and we'll search for water. And we have a couple types of water, so we'll use this one. We'll see what that looks like. We can edit that afterwards as well. The thickness of that, well, I'm going to make it 1000. Say OK. Now we want to have a look at the level of it, and we don't want it at that level. We want it, say, -500, so it is set down from the actual ground around it. And we'll click OK. Yep, we know they overlap. That's fine. Let's have a little look at that in 3D. So there we go. That's got our water in there.